leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
All right, it is a snow day today, and we are gonna go play outside because the Michigan girl in me loves the snow, and everyone was freaking out, but I'm not scared of the snow. We're gonna go outside. We have double socks on. We have heat tech leggings plus another pair of leggings plus sweatpants because I don't think I've had like snow pants since I lived in Michigan. So this is what we're working with. We have another long sleeve turtleneck, earmuffs, and yeah, we're gonna go play in the snow.